Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a tunnel in a house of toilet paper rolls, paper rolls and toilet paper rolls, alright? We're going to make a bird nest in, in the hay rack in the potty area for beginning guinea pigs. What we're gonna do is, am I pausing it? I forgot one thing, is tissues. What we're gonna do is make a hay rack first, alright? What you're gonna need is scissors and this. If you want, you can always mark where you want it. Well, you want the line to be at least an inch away from the bottom. We're gonna cut like right here. And want it at least about right there. Then do the other side. Fold it a little bit. Alright, sorry about that. My mom's phone was ringing, so we had to pause it. What you're gonna do is cut like right here. You want this off. What you're gonna do is, see the plastic on here? What you're gonna do is peel this off. There's a trick if you know you got all of it. I'm not gonna do it right now, but there's a way to do it. If you shine a flashlight on it, the light will reflect off. Alright, so this is about it. Really simple to make, and I'll show you how to put what you can put in it, like food or anything. You can put hay in it. There you go, that's about it. Next is the potty place for your guinea pig, baby guinea pigs, or any type of animal that you want to train. Not obviously not cats or dogs, but you get the point. There's a fly. Well, you're gonna do the same thing. Alright, you're gonna try to get as close to the edge as possible. See where I started? You want to get close at the edge as possible. Want enough room for the pig to get in. And cut like right here. And now you're gonna cut right here. Now you're gonna do the same thing, peel the plastic off. Then, oh, there you go. What, you can put, make sure you don't put actual cat litter. You can put pellets in here, like wood stove pellets. That won't hurt them. Or you could try not, stay away from shredded, wood shavings. Or any type of shavings. Like, except for the paper stuff. Put paper in here and they'll be fine. Like paper shreddings, alright? Now we're gonna make one of these. Bird bed or nest. I did bring these home from school, just letting you know. That's why they're a little smaller. If you're just wondering. You wanna do the same thing what you did for the other four. See? You want to make sure it's cut all the way on the bottom, see? Right here. Then you want to cut where there'll be a line right here. You want to cut on. Want to peel off the plastic. And now what you're going to need is glue and paper towels. Like any type of paper towel, like what we did for here. And a little bit of glue. Don't worry, they're not gonna get at it if you put at least less, very less minimum glue. Oh yeah, don't use it for guinea pigs. This is meant for birds. See? You're gonna spread this around. At least a little bit enough where the paper's gonna stick. Like so. Then you're gonna see this edge. What you're going to do is put 3 dots of glue. You're gonna fold this and put it on. Like so. And then you're going to do the same way for the other side. You're going to also do the same thing here. You're gonna also use up the paper towels. What you're gonna do is unfold them like so. See? What you're going to do is scramble them up a little bit. It won't stay like that, just let you know. What you're going to do is put a little bit of glue, run it at least enough, then put some in here. Then you want to put pressure down. Like so. There you have it. Is it facing down? Okay. Can they see it? Right. What you're going to need is scissors. If you prefer a knife, you can. I'm going to use scissors. You can use a knife if you want, if you don't have any scissors. You're going to need a hot glue gun. Plugged in, of course. And glue sticks. You're going to need lots of them. Now what you're going to be making is a house first. What you're going to need to do is make a house. What you're going to need to do is make it at least about this size right here. This is the size. If you have a shelf about this size, it's a good idea to dig it out or take everything off it and use it, or
size is 12 by 12.
Size is 12 by 12, or use the box to use it, because you're going to need something to help keep it on the stuff on, so you're not losing track or anything like that. And I'll show you for an example. If you dropped one like that, you will know where exactly put it and not like out or anything like that. What you're going to do is put them like this, side by side, alright? You may need 5. You're going to need 5 in a row in each. You're going to need 5 for 3. I thought you're going to need 5. Sorry, my mistake. What you're going to need is 7. Yeah, 7. So you're going to need 7 right here. And now it's alright. Is it playing? Alright. You're going to need 5 right here. And then you're going to need 2 right here. You want a big enough entrance so they can get in and out. Alright? You're going to have your hot glue gun plugged in. Want the glue sticks nearby. Just let you know. What you're going to do is you want to make it so it's really small. what you're gonna do is, right here, you wanna have at least 1, 2, 3 dots or 1 line down. And then you're gonna put these 2 together, like so. Trick is you wanna let these dry and do 2. And you may have to do this one of them last, alright? Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a low line. And put this like that. Alright, pause it. It's gonna go on like this, Mom. Is it playing? Right. What you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need 6, alright? What you're gonna do is put 1 on this line. And then 1 on this side. Wait, whoops. You wanna make sure it's... Sorry guys. What you're gonna do is, don't have to worry about this side though. Wanna put it on top. Leave it alone for a while. And see, oh. Alright, what we figured out was you had to do it upside down, alright, like this. We were doing it wrong, so do it upside down, alright? Put the bottom base on the bottom, and you get the point. And then you're gonna do it like this. You want to hold it for a while. And there you go. You want to hold it at least 5 to 10 minutes because what we're doing was we're holding it in a few seconds and once it's staying. So leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. That's what we did. And watch. Now you have a hidey house for your guinea pigs. Make sure all the strings are off. Make sure there's no string parts to it. If it's really on top, don't worry about it. They're not going to bother it. Well, you could, unless if your guinea pigs like to jump onto things, then yeah. And I hope you really like this video. Subscribe and like. If you want to see any other videos, check them out. Go to my page and I'll see you next time. Bye.